In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to change the look of MoI from this to something like this. And if you don't want to go through the whole process of generating a custom UI yourself, if you like the changes that I've created here, I'll give that to you for free. Information on how to get that is at the end of the video. Okay, step number 1. Go to this website. Link is in the description. Click on this link here for PC to download the custom software. So I'm downloading off the link, I get a folder, I open the folder, I open the software. If you don't know how to open software, this is probably not the channel for you. There's lots of funny YouTube videos that you can get into a trance and just drool. Step 2. Click this button. Navigate your way to the MoI 3D folder on your computer. Click on the UI folder. And you're looking for a file that says moi.css. If you're concerned about replacing the original .css file, just make a copy and paste and save that in a different folder as a backup. Okay, step 3. Start changing colors. Click on anything inside the software and you'll notice down below you have options to change color. And I'm simply left clicking. And anything that gives me an option of something I can change, the options change down here, and you can go along and start changing colors. So maybe the background here, this blue, I don't want blue, I want black. See? Okay, so here I've made a bunch of horrible color choices, but I just want to show you as an example. Once you've got the colors set the way you want, come up here and click Save. moi.css. That's it. Now when you come down to open up MoI 3D 3.0, look, it's got the color changes. Whoa. Clearly we don't want hideous colors, so if you like the color scheme that I've used, I'll give you my .css file, no problem, it's free. Simply go to my website, liminal4d.com. Scroll down to the bottom here, join the newsletter, and you will receive an email back from me, and I'll give you a download link. If you got something out of this, you know what to do. Be good to each other. Take care. Also, thank you to Chip Walters for making this graphic user interface builder that allows us to make these changes. If you have a Mac, there's also a link in the description that takes you to Chip Walters' YouTube page, and you can follow his tutorial. Oh yeah, again. So I do these tutorials because I like to make art. And here's a sneak peek at one thing I'm working on. If you want to see more art, follow me on my socials. Bye-bye.